through shadows, an echo of dread. Fingers trace walls where the whispers once said. Underneath skin there's a shuddering pulse. Memories linger like coals, they convulse. What's this noise that claws at my mind? The symphony of chaos that's cruelly designed. What is that humming AI? Noise caught in a maze where no one has a choice. Squeezing intertwined with my delicate sighs. Lost in the depths where the forgotten lies. Hollow hallways stretch into cold, endless night. Flickering lights dance, teasing fleeting sight. Each breath I take feels like carving in stone. With every heartbeat I'm further from home. Yet through the decay I feel something soft. A breath that wraps around me, lifting me aloft. What is that humming in eye? Noise caught in a maze where no one has a choice. Squeezing entwined with my delicate sighs. Lost in the depths where the forgotten lies. I fade with the echoes, my voice intertwined. In this cruel silence, my spirit confined. I roam through shadows, an echo of dread. Fingers trace walls where the whispers once fed. Underneath skin there's a shuddering pulse. Memories linger like ghosts, they convulse. What's this noise that claws at my mind? A symphony of chaos that's cruelly designed. What is that humming in eye? Noise caught in a maze where no one has a choice. Streams intertwined with my delicate sighs. Lost in the depths land of forgotten lives. Hollow hallways stretch into cold, endless night. Flickering lights dance, teasing fleeting sight. Each breath I take feels like carving in stone. With every heartbeat I'm further from home. Yet through the decay I feel something soft. A breath that wraps around me, lifting me aloft. What is that humming in eye? Noise caught in a maze where no one has a choice. Grace intertwined with my delicate sighs. Lost in the depths where the forgotten lies. I fade with the echoes, my voice intertwined. In this cruel silence, my spirit confined.